Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Team Success Redefined. Friends, today in this video I'm going to give you a short and simple information about the Assure Natural product range 2.0. So let's start the video. In this video I'm going to tell you about Assure Natural Hand and Body Cream. Benefits: it is natural solution for dull and dry skin. It deeply moisturizes the skin and making skin beautiful. It also provides softening to the skin with orchid and vanilla extract in it. How to use it? Step 1. Apply a generous amount on a cleansed and dry skin. Step 2. Gently massage it onto the body and skin until it is absorbed. Do these steps daily and you will get the desired results. Friends, you can easily use these products because they are made with natural ingredients. They are cruelty free and they are paraben free. All these Assure Natural Range 2.0 is PETA certified and dermatologist tested and proven. Use these products according to your skin type. Thank you so much for listening me, and I hope you all will like the information about the product. So if you like the video, and then please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel Team Success Redefined, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the prior notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and wish you wealth.